Our hearts beat to the city streets. We began to feel the fire. We rise like tall buildings as the chemicals, they take us higher. The night's young and it's just begun as she puts her hand in mine. We wanna chase the night, wanna dance to the light, pull the stars from the sky, just two hearts running wild. Never sleep, never stop, as we shout from the top. We're gonna be two hearts running wild.
Hello there and welcome back, or welcome if you're new. My name is Daphne. Thank you so much for clicking on today's video. So we are going to be working on this pathway. I am so ready to give this space a complete makeover. A lot of the flowers have started blooming. We have our daffodils and our tulips popping up and all of the hosta that flank the walkway as well. And we also have some corbel back towards the back gate. So today is the day. I have been thinking about this project for so long, and I'm so excited that I'm able to do it today. We are going to be doing the same stain that we did on the front porch. We're going to be applying it fully to this area, and I cannot wait to get started. So before we get to staining, I just wanted to remove some of the weeds that are here in the flower beds. So I'm just going in and just cleaning up the area. There's also some old foliage that I just wanted to remove as well. There was some blown hydrangea heads from my neighbor's plants, as well as just some, regular weeds that were coming up.
It was the best we ever had, and we'll stay on forever. We'll never have regrets. We wanna chase the night, wanna dance to the light, pull the stars from the sky, just two hearts running wild. Never sleep, never stop, as we shout from the top. We're gonna be two hearts running wild. We're gonna be two hearts running wild.
So how has it been for you guys? It has been absolutely beautiful weather in my area in New York. And I am just so thankful for just being able to be outside and being able to just enjoy, just making my property look absolutely amazing. Each project that I'm able to tackle, I just feel like it just makes so much of a difference. So leave me a comment down below and let me know what you're doing, whether it's indoors or outdoors. What type of projects are you guys working on? Are you, doing any type of makeovers to your property? Whether you live in a home or in an apartment, are you doing any refreshes for spring? So leave me a comment. I would really like to know what you guys are up to. So instead of pulling out the pressure washer, I just used a deck brush and some soapy warm water, and we're just going to scrub it down. And then after we scrub it down, we're just going to rinse it with some water. And then I took a quick trip to Lowe's. I picked up a couple of items while we let this dry. I did go to Lowe's to try to get a hand pump, and you'll see how that turned out. So I just hope that you have been enjoying this series of just refreshing my front yard. I have not even started my backyard yet. It's going to be, next up. I wanted to really just give a big focus this year to my front yard so that I can just, do all of the projects that I've really wanted to do in past years. So if you haven't watched the 3 parts of this front yard makeover, I'm going to have it linked in the description so that you can check it out. You will really like, all of the projects, and ultimately it is going to be leading up to our full front porch makeover that I cannot wait to share with you.
You're some kind of butterfly. Baby, you give me midnight. You whip up my appetite. Don't leave me here.
So this is the pump that I was able to purchase at Lowe's. I thought that it would be the perfect solution so that I wouldn't have to use the chip brush, even though I really do like the way that the chip brush applies the stain. Because this was a bigger area, I was going to try to just make it a little easier. Now, I just went directly into adding the stain to the pump. I didn't read the instructions. I didn't do anything. And I think that I needed to adjust the nozzle, at least fill it up like with water, and then just check the spray pattern before I got started. But, sometimes I'm just so eager to get started and I just jump right into a project, and you'll see what happened.
But I don't wanna jinx it, baby. Let's not get ahead of my time. Oh, but I don't wanna miss you, baby. So I stand up and speak just my mind. Oh. Baby, you give me ice and fire. You're chilling when the rain. You're some kind of butterfly. Baby, you.
I'm just laughing at myself while I'm editing. I really should have taken the time to just, adjust the nozzle before I got started. But because it didn't work and I am hard-headed, I just got down and I stained it by hand. I did 2 coats, and I absolutely love the coverage. This stain is absolutely beautiful. It's a bare, semi-transparent stain, and it's in color slate. It's the same color stain that I've used on all of my woodwork in the backyard, and I'm using that same wood stain to stain my hardscape. And I have to say, I really like the way that the finish is adhering. The stain is adhering to the hard surfaces in my my landscape. I had originally contemplated buying a concrete stain, but I took a chance and I just reused the stain that I already had because it was a full gallon, and I absolutely love the way that it has been turning out. So this is how it looks after one coat. So I'm going to go back in and give it a full additional coat, and I'm going to let it dry. And then we're going to be working on the side beds. So this is how it looks after two coats. I just got finished fully applying it. So I'm going to go inside. We're going to let this dry for about an hour, and then we're going to come out and we're going to work on the side beds. Look how rich the color is. Like, I absolutely love the way that this has transformed the side path. So now I'm just going to be adding in some mulch. On this side I have some stones that's lining both sides of the bed. So I'm really just filling in with the mulch towards the middle and just refreshing the space. And then on the opposite side, we just have it basically along the border. So I'm just putting small piles, and then I'm just going to spread everything out. So while I was clipping from the other corbel, this little section came detached. So I'm just cutting the landscape fabric that's under, and I'm just going to stick it in the hole, and I know that it's going to root, and we're going to be able to have an additional corbel here. So I am just going to be going in and doing my last minute blowing of the mulch that we just put down, and then we're going to take a look back at the before, and then we're going to go into the after. So I just want to thank you so much for joining me today. I hope that you enjoyed this quick makeover of my side path. I hope that you found inspiration to be able to do something similar to this in your home. That is my ultimate goal, is just to give inspiration of little projects that you're able to do to just make a total difference in your space. So until the next time, I just want to thank you so much for joining me again. And also at the end of the video, there's going to be a quick recap of past front yard projects that we have done. A couple of makeovers that we did last year. So until the next time, have a blessed day.
You're chilling when the rain. You're some kind of butterfly. Baby, you give me midnight. You whip up my appetite. Don't leave me